Day 22, came into Home Depot to check out the LVPs that we chose. Hopefully they have samples over here. Most of them were online only. Hopefully we can get something that's close to the stain that we chose, dark walnut. That's on the hardwood floor right now. Hopefully we can get similar ones. This chart is very useful because we made a mistake when we put our LVP in our house. We chose 6mm one. We didn't know it was for the wear layer instead of the thickness. Usually when they say a mil, we usually understand it's a millimeter. It turns out it wasn't millimeter, it was a wear layer. So bigger is better. So if it's 22, that's better. If it's 12, that's normal, moderate, I would say. And you can see the temperature range and thickness and commercial warranty, scratch resistance, and antimicrobial. And what I found out today is a very interesting thing and useful for me. A&E Surfaces, brand that Home Depot carries, is only online. So they only have here Traffic Master and then Home Decorators and Life Proof of LVPs. Good to know. So, and they don't carry samples anymore. So we have to order it online for $3, I believe. That's a good thing too now. We used to have a lot of samples over here, but not now. Day 23. We got a final measurement done by Home Depot. They had a problem with the other measurement because the guy who was working on the measurement thought he did a mistake, and he brought someone with bigger expertise, and they did the measurement.
Stand, I thought I took it off of there. Again.
Day 24 to day 30, we were on vacation. Ah. However, we did some research on the LVP, so we found a local LVP guy in Pittsburgh, so we're gonna pick them up from there. Also, we did research on the baseboards. We're just trying to find better deals other than Home Depot or Lowe's, and we found some, so hopefully we can pick them up and negotiate some price down. We also worked on the layout of the basement. That's pretty much done. Also, we worked on the cabinets to go cabinets. So we have them delivered on Friday this week. So also we're gonna have appliances coming in on Saturday this week.